If you go into the recorder app on your Galaxy Watch 6, you will see this option here that allows you to convert speech into text. So if you tap here, you can select the language and then get going. So let's go ahead and give it a try. This is a test recording to test the speech to text feature on Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. So now I have this recording right here. Now I have to mention here that this recording will immediately be transferred to your phone recorder app as well. So when you will open the recorder app on your phone, you can listen to this recording. Now since we have used the speech to text feature, we are looking for the text here. Now if you tap on this play button here, it will play back the recording for you on the watch. But if you tap on this card here, it will give you the text that has been transcribed from your recording. So there you go, we have it right here, and then you can play it from here as well. Now here you will see that your notifications on the phone will show that one file has been copied from the voice recorder app on your watch. So you will find it in the list option on the recorder app on your phone, and memo 002 is right here. If you tap on it, you will find the recording and the text here as well.